नमस्कार दोस्तों, हम डीएलएड सेकेंड ईयर की जो डायरियाँ हैं सत्रीय कार्य वाली डायरी उसको भर रहे हैं। ये हमारा चैनल है मिशन क्लासेज। क्या चैनल का नाम क्या है? मिशन क्लासेज। ये हमारा चैनल है, इसको आपको सब्सक्राइब करना है। ठीक है, सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए। ये चैनल का लोगो है। इसके बाद में ये डायरी है जिसके अंतर्गत डीएलएड सेकेंड ईयर की डायरी भर रहे हैं। सत्रीय कार्य वाली जो डायरी है इसका हम भर रहे हैं। ये सूची है जिसमें से हमने पेपर फर्स्ट, पेपर सेकंड, पेपर 3 और पेपर 4 ये चारों पेपर हमने भर लिए। इसके बाद में अब इस वीडियो में हम पेपर 5 जो इंग्लिश वाला है इसको हम भरेंगे। इस इंग्लिश वाले पेपर को हम डायरी में भरना सीखेंगे। वैसे इंग्लिश तो मेरी वीक है, लेकिन कोई बात नहीं, हम भरना तो सीख लेंगे। बोलने में थोड़ी मिस्टेक हो सकती है, ठीक है। इंग्लिश पहला टॉपिक है हमारा नेचर ऑफ लैंग्वेज। पहला टॉपिक का नाम क्या है? नेचर ऑफ लैंग्वेज। तो एवरी क्रेचर स्ट्रीव्स टू कम्युनिकेट विथ इट्स ओवन काइंड। वन ऑफ द वे इन विच दिस नीड इज fulfilled is by expressing thoughts in the medium of language। इसके बाद में अगला है मीनिंग ऑफ लैंग्वेज। लैंग्वेज इज ए मीन ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन। लैंग्वेज इज द ब्रिज बिटवीन इंडिविजुअल दैट टेल देम they are needed. They are not alone. Language thus gives self-expression and by extension identity. Language is a systematic and conventional means of human communication by way of vowel sound. Language is a system for communicating. Written language use symbols, that is characters, to build words. The entire set of words is the language vocabulary. The way in which the word can be meaningfully combined is defined by the language. Sentence and grammar. The actual meaning of words and combinations of words is defined by the language. Semantic function of language give self-expression and identity. It tell our listeners of readers about ourselves, in particular about regional origins, social background, level of education, occupation, age, and personality. It gives shape to thought and emotional and communicated these to the intended audience. It is the basic elements which the history of the world has been recorded. It is time capsule that aliens use to weigh any moment in the past of a literate man. It is stonehouse of information. It helps to express judgments, opinions, assurance, etc. It is used if a statement is true or false. It helps to maintain social rapport between people to build and maintain relationship. One of the basic human is to communicate. A communicate model encoding, transmission, recapitulation, decoding. Communications happens when the decoder decoded and understand the message of the encoder. The encoder and the decoder are called the interlocutors. Language is not only human phenomenon. Animal cry, hoot, bleed, coo, dance and sing to communicate their message. Sounds are a basic unit of language, but not sound is themselves or in a jumble. Sound have to be meaningful. They acquire meaning when they organize themselves in a intelligent combinations. Sounds forms meanings. Sounds forms meaning give us a intelligible, sensible structure to understand the world around us. These three components in fact represent their fundamental dimension of the organization as well as the three levels of emphasis in language: phonological, syntactic and semantic. Direct method. The method of teaching foreign language without the use of mother tongue. It only used target language to the target language. It is also called national language because of the learner do not use native language. A direct method has one every basic rule: no translation is allowed. इसके बाद में बैकग्राउंड. In the mind and late 19th century, Europe experienced a increasing opportunity to communicating due to industrialization and international trade. Travels. A need was felt to develop oral proficiency in foreign language. The principle they proposed or called nature method that suggests radical change from grammar translation method. They later on come to be known as the direct method. Principles. Classroom instruction is conducted in the target language. Vocabulary is touch, throat, picture and objects. Grammar is taught indirectly. Students are encouraged to think the target language. Speaking is taught first before reading or writing. Translation is completely banished from any classroom activity. The role of the teacher. The teacher role is quite active. Teacher introduces a new target language word or phrase to the student and there is no mother tongue. Demonstrate. Facilitators, monitors. She directs all the classroom activities. The role of student. The teacher and the students are more like partners in the teaching. Students are less passive as compared to GTM. They think and speak in the target language. They try to speak as much as possible. They learn how to ask a question as well as answer them. Technique of direct method: reading aloud, question and answer exercise, conversation practice, fill in the blanks, getting student to self correct, डायरेक्शन मैप ड्राइंग, पैराग्राफ राइटिंग। इस तरह से ये हमारा इंग्लिश वाली डायरी बनेंगे। थैंक यू, धन्यवाद।